Hi guys, today we've got the privilege of reviewing an Icon 72 SL motorboat.
Hi everybody, I'm going to start from the back of the boat. This is the first time we've actually been round a large motor cruiser. As you can see at the rear, there's a really large bathing platform, and this actually is quite cleverly goes up and down on hydraulics, and in here there's a tender garage. This lifts up, the bathing platform goes down, and the tender, they've got a 6-seater tender rib that comes out on the back, and all the other little toys that comes with it. Over here, they were just explaining to me the bathing ladder to get in and out of the water actually works electronically. It's on hydraulics, so that when they push the buttons, it all folds in underneath. I think we'll take a look up here, just a couple of steps up. We'll go round the outside for the moment. All the winches for mooring, they're all electric, as you can see. Feet control. That is the electric switch for the bathing ladder, as I was just showing you a minute ago. It's an Icon, Italian make, 72 foot. I'll inquire with the skipper in a minute the actual beam of this boat. As you can see, she's got really high boardwalks, great grab rails all the way along. There's a nice sunbathing bed here. You got your main screen. There's speakers in the aft and forward here. And here's your main anchor windlass. Look at that. What a beautiful boat. Let's take a walk down this side, shall we? It's a little bit rolly in this anchorage today. It's excellent. Aft, there's a great big sun pad. Reckon you'd fit about 4 people on there. My brother-in-law Simon, you all know Sarah and Abigail. Fantastic aft cockpit. This particular model doesn't come with a fly bridge.
Abby?
Got a wet bar with all your gubbins in it.
Okay, I'll do it for you.
Fridge, ice maker, all that sort of stuff, and there'll be a sink underneath here. Nice teak fold-away table and some chairs. We're going to go and have a look inside.
Just to know how
What's your name?
Antonino.
Antonino. And this is an Icon 72?
Yes,
Okay.
Icon 72 feet.
Okay. We'll start off with, maybe can we have a look at the engine room?
Yes, we can go. Ma ci sta paghedato allora.
Wow.
It's too hot inside.
Yes, isn't it? Wow. So what engines does she have?
Caterpillar C32 is the model.
Okay.
It's 1450 horsepower.
Okay. And she consumes, was it 400 litres an hour?
Yeah.
At an average speed?
Average speed about is 22 knots.
Respectable.
What about
It's a lot of consumption.
How about the, it has air conditioning,
Yes, of course.
generator.
Generator is this noise that you can hear.
Okay,
There
yeah,
are
the engine,
two
yep.
two generators. One is bigger than the other. From here you can see. This is the generator that is running, and
Okay.
on the other side there is one more.
Okay. So I don't know actually anything at all about engines, so like any engine, it's a scale, it's a maintenance of annual checks and engine. Oil.
Usually we check oil, level oil.
Yeah.
Is here. It's on the other side.
Okay. You give it first?
You see, from here you can check the level.
Just like on a car then. Okay.
There is one more also on the other side.
Because it's twin engine.
Yeah.
Okay.
This is
Job is
fuel
accessible.
filter,
Filters.
oil filter,
Yeah.
and from here you can switch on the engine manually.
Okay.
You don't need to go up on the bridge.
Okay.
If there is some trouble or something wrong happen, you can come here, you turn the key and you switch on.
Okay. So what have we got in the middle here?
Here we have a plotter,
Yeah.
and also from there you can check depth. In this case, we have 5.5 meters. It's about 15 feet depth.
Okay.
If you change a page, here we have a plotter. Now we are in Positano. And this one is the radar
Okay.
that now is off.
Yeah. So that'll be where you have your AIS and you see other boats around?
No, not this.
I don't know. Yeah. I know nothing.
This is autopilot,
Yeah.
auto steering. Usually here is right RPM engine.
Okay.
Copyright.
And here we have a hold command. For example, if you want to switch on the pilot radar, you push WACF, you switch on WACF, blower from the engine
Okay.
if it's too hot.
So if the engine room gets too hot, you can bring cold air into it to cool the engine down,
Yeah,
as well as the cold water going through the engine from the sea.
so you can change the air inside.
Oh, that's good.
This is the thruster.
Yep. Okay.
Thruster.
And you've got thrusters fore and aft.
Now we have just in front, just on the bow.
Okay. That's obviously your throttle.
Throttle, compass.
Yes, and then the same this side.
From there you can command the anchor down and up So you fill up the anchor.
Okay, look at the accommodation.
In the forward VIP cabin, you're going to have to excuse the mess because we have our bags and the kids' bags all over the place. As we're only here for the day, we haven't really stored anything. It's a huge double, got air conditioning, stereo for music, and you've got plugs and charging points, fabulous old port lights, and up here there is storage everywhere on this boat. I won't go into it too much. Big drawers under the beds, cupboards over here, and they go all the way back. I don't see if you can see how deep, far back that is. Absolutely huge. Come round this side, you have another storage cupboard here, goes really far back, fire extinguisher up here, Sky TV, DVD player, television, and coming round, this cabin has its own, once again the kids unfortunately have left their towels everywhere. I think there's going to be tellings off. bidet, toilet. I didn't realise people still use bidets nowadays. Got your own shower, plexiglass, sink, storage underneath, and you have mirrors, and this whole wall up here, which is storage, you have mirrors too. All the lights are just fabulous. Come through to on the starboard side, just over here, you have day heads. I'm going to have to go in to turn the light on this. So we'll just give you a view of the bay while I turn the light on. There we go. Once again, this is the one that had all the towels in. That's what the sink looks like. They're electric flush toilets. Don't forget this is the day heads. And yet another shower, plexiglass doors. And the nice thing with this one, now we're in the loo together, if you have somebody over in this cabin, which is a nice little twin, they have access to their own toilets at night time. Come out of there, I'll close that off, open this one up, and out we go. Turn the light off on here, and this door, come back here, goes into that twin room that we just looked from the heads. Really nice, really nice. There's storage under each of the beds here. You've got storage over there. Once again, telephone, charging points, plugs, air conditioning throughout. I love the material on the panels of these walls. It's really soft. Done a beautiful job. Got mood lighting for night time, which I think is pretty cool. There we go. Storage over here, once again, and another television that's come out of here. This is your walkway, your steps that take you back up to the saloon. And just over here on the port side, there is a bunk room. Let's get some lights on in here. Oh, the aircon's fabulous in here. So, television, printer for whatever. Another stereo. There's your air conditioning controls up there. Another plug. And it's a double bunk. Great for little kids. Just close this door. Find the light switch. Whoop. We're underway, so it's a bit rolly. Here's all your electric switches and bits and pieces. up here. As I say, motor yachts isn't something we normally do, so excuse my technical knowledge. Now we're going to go down to the owner's cabin. There is storage incidentally under all the floors. There's loads of little hatches to lift. Wow, this is a bumpy ride. And in to the owner's suite, which the kids seem to have destroyed yet again. Look at that. Queen size bed. There's storage underneath. Nice two-seater settee over there. Close this door. Get away with some of the noise. Give you a nice little look round. Come back here. Oop. Nice little vanity. And this lifts up. For the mirror, people. Put that down. As you can see, we are moving. Once again, on the walls, it's throughout on this boat. You have a soft padding material, and then it goes up to leather panels all the way round. Nice oak timber throughout. Now have a look over this side. This is a reasonable size two-seater. Have a look at that. Seems like someone's throttling it up a bit. There we go. Ensuite bathroom. They're all electric flush toilets, bidet again, and another sink. Hello everybody. And another shower.